In today's video, we are going to show you how to leave an Edpuzzle class. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and from the dashboard, click on My Classes. Here, all I have to do is super simple. Open the class card that you wanted to leave. Alright? Now, look for the three-dot menu or class option button on the class card if you can find it. And of course, choose the leave class. Now, the thing is, if you don't see any leave class option, the class may be locked. Okay, so in that case, you want to make sure to ask your teacher to remove you manually. So here, this is the teacher account and the class is set up to, now here, as you can see, the class is locked. It was set up this way so that no other students can easily join this specific class. Okay, but again, if the class is not locked, all I have to do is super simple. You would easily see a drop-down menu to set the option to leave the class. It's super simple. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to leave class here in Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.